Hello everyone, welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will learn how to take the backup and restore intelligent integration connector configuration. Here is the document reference for backing up and restoring connector configuration using intelligent integration. Navigate to the intelligent integration. You can see a connector was already configured here. Now click on the left side, backup and restore. You can see the existing backup files. Now the new configuration was backup with the today's timestamp. Provide a new name for backup. Click on the save button. So you can see the new backup file was saved here. So if you want to save this backup file for future reference purpose, click on the download button, and you can delete the existing configuration files by selecting the file and click on delete button. Click on close. Navigate to the intelligent integration. Now I will delete the source connector. So the intelligent integration now have destination file configured, no source files was configured. Now I want to import the previous configuration. Click on the backup and restore. You can see the previous backup file, today underscore backup file. You can select that file so that it will get imported automatically to the intelligent integration. If you want to import the specific backup file from previous configuration, then click on the import, select the specific backup file. So that file will get imported. Navigate to the intelligent integration. Now you can see the backup file was restored with the connector details. Now come back to the backup and restore. Here you can see the autosave. The autosave file is always restore the previous backup file. So this is how we can backup and restore the configuration using intelligent integration. Thank you for watching this video.